Today, we're making one of my favorites, homemade ravioli. And while there are tons of great pre-made options at the market, both refrigerated and frozen, it's hard to find ones that are stuffed with anything other than meat or cheese. But what if I told you that today we're stuffing them with crab? Oh yeah, these are gonna be amazing. First, we'll make a filling by combining some ricotta cheese and cream cheese, some crab meat, and that can be the real thing or imitation, a little Parmesan, some chopped parsley, scallions, and a bit of salt and pepper. Next, we assemble our ravioli. Now, instead of making pasta from scratch, we're using wonton skins, which we can find in the produce section. We put a spoonful of our filling in the center of each square, moisten the edges with a bit of water, and fold the corners over, making a triangle. Then we boil them till they're tender, just like we would with store-bought ravioli. Serve them up with your favorite sauce, and you're good to go. Not only are these perfect for dinner, but you can serve them as an appetizer too. Either way, I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our homemade crab ravioli so you can wow everyone with something that looks super fancy, yet is super easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a restaurant-worthy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.